All right, partners, good day. We got one more rodeo to round up here, and that's with real words. Are you ready for a rootin' tootin' good time with some real words? Look what I've done. I put some sounds at the top, and if you can read all those sounds, boys and girls, you're going to be able to read these words. And that is the beauty of knowing sounds. All righty, join me as I read these sounds. F, I, J, B, W, T, P. Now I gotta be real honest. I didn't hear everybody out there, but I'm gonna let it slide this time. But I do want you to read these words with me. So sit up now, pretend you're high on your horse. All righty, here we go. You tap them, and then we'll say them together. That'll give you an idea in your brain what it is your mouth is going to say. And that's always a good idea. All right, here we go. You got it? Win. I hope we win the ball game. All righty, here we go. Tap it out. Blend it together. Web. Oh, I saw a spider web on my picnic table. Well, that's okay, cowboys. Cowgirls, they're not going to hurt much. They're not going to hurt anything. Web. We've done win, web. Here we go. Tap that out in your head. Got it? It says pit. We had a big old fire pit going so we could roast our hot dogs and marshmallows. All righty, and we got one more word, and it reads, now get those hands up and tap that out. You ready? Here we go. Now let's read that word, jet. Oh, there you go, Wranglers. Here we are. Win, web, pit, jet. And if I wanted to, I could put vowels, like vowels together. Those both have that vowel. And right here, these two have the I sound. So here we go. Let's read them like that. Pit, win, jet, web. And now, Wranglers, we got one more thing to do before we're going to call this rodeo over. And that's read our sentence of the day. Now, I don't believe you're going to need too much help from me. We've had most of these words. You ready? Let's read it together. They have one big jet. Oh my word, if they've got a big jet, they must be flying somewhere. Wonder where they'd fly to. Maybe to Oklahoma, to the rodeo? All righty, let's do it one more time. Read it with me. You getting ready? Let's go. Get your mouth ready. They have one big jet. All righty, boys and girls. No other Wranglers I'd rather spend the morning with. Thank you very much.